This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Mirjam VanStekelenburg. Beautiful gently rolling 1-acre lot. Completely cleared and ready to be built on. Fantastic views over 2 ponds to the 9th hole of the Bluff and to the 9th hole of the Cove National Course. Walking distance from the National Tavern and the Pro Shop. Membership is available. Don't miss this unique opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Mirjam VanStekelenburg at 706-252-8020.